Today's topic is a triangle. I'm going to have a triangle shape, and that triangle shape there consists of a D note, which is the second note in the C major scale. That's going to be your third note of a D, which is an F sharp. So you've got your E, F, F sharp. So that's your third note of a D major. And then above that, on the top of the triangle, will be your fifth note, which is an A. G, G sharp, A. And then from that third fret, second note in the C major scale is your D major. But instead of going down the second string, which in a D major scale will be the same shape as the C major scale, which will go. But here we're going to go D, open E, because D, E is your second note. So it's easy just to flick that third fret on that D note there and just go E, F sharp, G. And then you're back to resolve back to your D major on the 10th fret. And now you're holding that E on a D shape. Your major notes, high end notes, will be middle string. But if you're on a 5th fret D, on your high strings, you're going to go. So you're not going to go to that centre one, that'll be flattening it. On the 10th. On the 5th. And then back to your triangle. Now I did discuss yesterday in my topic on the C major, which consists of a C, E, G. If you go down to the 12th fret and hold a D shape, again, your middle one, that's going to be your C. Your high is going to be an E. And the top of the triangle, that'll be your G. And you can mess around flicking that. And resolve into your 8th fret C. Out of 7. But if you don't want the pentatonic sound, you do the 2. Like you would on a 3rd fret. And if you've got an electric guitar guru telling you where to put your thumb as an acoustic player, I'll tell him to pig off. Because it's like people walk different. I'm a carpenter for 30 years, my fingers are dead sore. But I saw with my left hand, and I saw a bit weird. And I don't saw the same as anyone else, like nobody else. Nobody helped. We all play differently, like we walk differently, I'm trying to get to, because your brain tells you where it's easier. So if you're pressing that and you're struggling, your brain will tell you where it's best for you to be pressing it. Maybe there, or maybe there. Or holding your finger round a bit. Or holding your finger back a bit. When you know how to hold a note, there's no effort to it. So if someone tells you it's hurting, because you're practicing. Because when you practice, it hurts. Like the old saying, no pain, no gain. So now, so the triangle is the essence of knowing all your notes. If you go to the 7th fret, you're now holding a G, you could bar it and get your root note as well. To make it sound like a 3rd position G. And the G note, if you go there, can find what note is your fifth note, which you need to flatten, or your third note that you need to flatten, that'll be your G, or your fifth note. But what is your G? You've got your G is your major, and then the high there is your B. Yeah? So that's going to be your D on the top of the triangle. That'll be a D. D, B, G, D, B, G, 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 B, D, G, B, D, G, B, D, G, B, D. Or you can go D, G, B, D, G, B, D, G, B. Or you can go B, D, G, B, D, G, B, D, G. You can do all the different inversions on that one D shape, but which is a G at the minute. Back to the D. Just slid it up to the second fret. And that's an E shape on the 10th fret, which is your major D again. So if you go 10, 12, 10, 12, then go 11, and then if you're on the flat D, on the 5th, you just go 2 again. Stay in a major rhythm or lead. And again, the scale is, so you go D string, open on the E string, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 5th fret, 7th fret, 9th fret, 10, and you're back on your D, which will be your 8th note. Like for example, if you're on your G up here, down here, I'm in G there, but you can play the same shape on the 7th. And land on that D note. But even if you go to the 7th, it still fits, which is a B, but it fits. And like I say, major, that's minor. I lost shape there. No, it ain't there. That won't be there on the 2. It'll definitely be the 3 shape, because that's your G. So the major scale is in a block of 4 on the high strings. I hope it helps. I'm finding it useful as well, and my last tutorial where we slipped into a D sharp scale, I learned the D sharp notes yesterday from my own video. So I'm hoping other people are getting information off my videos too. If you are, just drop me a like, that's all I want, and it'll encourage me to make another one quicker. You get that? So just give yourself some little patterns to do, and I just chose middle root, fifth, third. So I wanted to drone the D, which if you hit one note and you're letting it ring, that's called drone. You're droning it. They're tetronics. And that's just the formation of 4 notes. If you do 5 notes, it'll be a pentatonic like we all hear all the time. So a number of 3 notes, like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There'll be tritonics. That'll be a tritonic, a number of 3 notes. And then 4. There'll be tetronics. Tetronics. And then 5 is your pentatonic. And that'll be your 5 notes in a row. I tried to play them all in the D. D shape, so you know your triangle that we spoke about. You've got your triangle, and you've got your D, you've got your F sharp, and you've got your A. Like we spoke about yesterday, you've got your C, your E, and your G. Just play around and hit that second note on the 3rd fret, D, and 2nd string, and go open E. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's your, that'll be your 8th note. That'll be your 9th note, which would be an E again. That's a nice one just to learn, and then resolve back to your D. Just go D, E, F sharp, G, A, D. You can even do it with your chords. So you could go D, E, no. And you miss the 5th, 6th, 7th out, 5th, 6th, and you just play around with the first 4. So the D note, the D major, the first chord D, second chord will be E, third will be an F, fourth will be a G, fifth will be an A. So we take out 2 and 3 and we'll keep 1, 4 and 5, and that will give us your D, G, A. Try and make a little, or think about a song I know that's in that. In early memories, in a mission bed, in a nursery warm in African skies. She said, take this child and go to Tucson, Arizona. Give her the wings so she can fly and Bobby no more. This is the story of how we began to remember. This is the powerful poster of the love of the veil. After the dream and falling and calling your name out. These are the roots and the roots and the rhythm remain. Whoa. Whoa, If anyone knows that song, drop it in the comment. And I just found the tab for it then, and that song there, I've probably not sung 10 years, and I don't know why it come to me. There's numerous songs that could have come to me, but I don't know why that one come to me for. But anyway, we'll keep it in Rowan's Guitar Labs. Gotta tell me he sings it though. Right, I think that's enough. I don't know how long the video's been, but I hope it's all there. Take care. Any questions, just drop them in the comments and I'll reply. Take care everyone. Like and subscribe. Have a lovely weekend.